This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to transfer opportunity ownership in Salesforce. Whether you're reassigning tasks due to team changes or simply redistributing workloads, knowing how to efficiently transfer opportunity ownership can make your workflow much smoother. Let's dive in and walk you through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open the target opportunity record. This is the specific opportunity you're looking to update, so make sure you have the correct one. If you're working with a long list of opportunities, you might find it easier to use the search bar at the top of your Salesforce dashboard to quickly locate it. Once you've opened the desired opportunity record, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Next, locate the owner field. This is typically found either in the top header or within the Details tab of the opportunity record. The owner field displays the name of the current owner of this opportunity. It's essential to ensure you're looking at the right field, as this is where you'll make the necessary changes. Once you have located the owner field, you should see a small icon next to the current owner's name. This icon might look like a small person or a pair of arrows indicating change or transfer. Go ahead and click on this Change Owner icon. This action will enable you to start the process of selecting a new owner for this opportunity. Now, you'll be prompted to search for and select a new owner. In most cases, you'll type in the name of the user you want to transfer ownership to. Salesforce will typically provide a list of matching names as you type, making it easier to find the correct user. Make sure to double-check that you've selected the right person, as this change will update who is responsible for managing the opportunity. After you've selected the new owner, you're almost done. The final step is to click the Change Owner button to save the changes. This button is usually located near the field where you selected the new owner. By clicking this button, you're confirming the transfer of ownership from the current user to the new user you selected. And that's it. You've successfully transferred opportunity ownership in Salesforce. It's a straightforward process, but it's an essential skill for maintaining an organized and efficient workflow. Remember, transferring ownership should be done thoughtfully, ensuring the new owner is prepared to handle the responsibilities associated with the opportunity. I hope this guide has been helpful. By understanding and utilizing this feature, you can ensure that your team remains flexible and responsive to changes, keeping your Salesforce environment organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Salesforce tips and tricks.